Okay, here we go for round 2 of Smash or Pass for Modern Diecast 2024. I was going to do all the premiums and cards together, but I think there's way too many of them, so we're just going to do it in groups. Today we're going to do just boulevards, and I don't have as many boulevards as I used to, so hopefully this video won't be too long. But let's just go ahead and get into it. Smash or Pass, this is going to be Smash for cars that I'm going to keep in my collection, Pass for cars that I'm going to sell or get rid of. So here we go. Number 1, Bone Shaker. I am definitely going to keep this one. At one time, I had this whole first set, and this is the only one I kept. And to be honest with you, the only one I really regret getting rid of was the Volkswagen T1 panel bus, and really just for display purposes, so I could maybe use it with some other Porsche stuff I have. But definitely going to keep this one. Cool that it's number 1. I like Bone Shaker. It's a really nice version of the casting. So I'm definitely going to keep that. And we're going to call this one a smash. 26, Corvette Z06 Drag Racer. Not a huge fan of this car, just to be honest with you. I think the concept's cool. I just think it doesn't look very great. And for a Hot Wheels, it's kind of meh. I think the top does come off this one. I'm not sure. This was just kind of a meh set too. And just for reference, I've had pretty much every Boulevard except for maybe one set from last year over the years. And I've got rid of most of them. This is just what I have left. But Corvette Z06 Drag Racer, I think this one is going to be a pass. 66 Pontiac GTO. I can already tell you right off the bat, I'm going to say smash on this. Keeping this one. Love the color on this. Had a friend in high school that had a car that looks just like this. You know, not a lot to this car, but I remember somebody saying one time, you know, if you had to add a bunch of stuff to your car to make it look good, it doesn't look good. I kind of get that. I do think there are ways around it, but Pontiac GTO, especially 66, just a good looking car. Great, simple looking wheels on it. Love the paint job. So this is one that I had the whole set, and I don't remember why I got rid of some of these cars, especially these two, but I did for whatever reason. But the next one in that set is the DMC DeLorean. Going to smash this one as well. We're going to keep it. I think this is a great looking version of this casting. Probably one of the most accurate castings that we have of this actual car. Of course, this isn't trying to be the Back to the Future version or anything. It's just the car itself. So really good looking version there. 71 Mustang Mach 1. I'm going to smash this one. Absolutely love this car. Got a very nice, like a flat black paint. A really cool stance. Love the staggered wheels here and the wheel choice. Really nice. Again, not a lot to it. Just a kind of a mean looking car. Would I have preferred it to be a different year? Yeah, probably. But still, for what it is, I think they did an excellent job with it. And this was another kind of mixture. And that's why I don't have a lot of Boulevards that I kept. I quit buying full sets unless it's maybe like just one out of the set I don't like. I quit buying them all. I just buy what I like now pretty much. 78 Ford Escort RS 1800 Mark II. Going to smash this one just because I am a super huge fan of Ford rally cars from back in the day. Don't ask me why. I think it's just because I kind of grew up with them. You know, it's like I look at this car and I really don't even think the car looks that great. It's just the history of it and what it stands for, I think, is pretty cool. So there you go. 20 Ford Shelby GT 500. Really do like this casting. This is one that I would be keeping, but full disclosure, on some of these I'm going to be passing on, not because I don't like the car, but because I'm receiving one of the Boulevard sets from 2023 this year, the big box set with all of the Boulevards from 2023. So if it's one from 2023, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of it. So there you go. Kind of a spoiler alert, but we're going to take a look at the rest of these cars anyway. Really nice job with this one here. Look at that faded racing stripe. Really cool, excellent wheel choice. Definitely screams Shelby to me. Absolutely love it, but we're going to pass just because I would smash that otherwise. This one might be a pass for me anyway, even if I wasn't getting the set. Just kind of kept it because it was in this set of 5. But Volkswagen Caddy, cool little truck. I do love the detail of the skateboard back here. You know, I like what it is. It's just still not really for me. A lot of great details here, though. I mean, let's just be honest. Did I say this was Volkswagen Caddy? Yeah, it is. It says Porsche. It's like a Porsche delivery or parts truck, but it's a Volkswagen Caddy. So hopefully I said that right. I'm not re-editing the video. But the one thing that I like about this casting, it does have like a ton of details on it. So that's really, really cool. Dodge van, again, this might be one that I might pass on. Even though I like it, I really like it. I think it's one of the probably the best Dodge vans that we have. Just, you know, the black with the flames definitely screams muscle car. So while I wouldn't really consider the Dodge van a muscle car, it just kind of fits that whole theme and vibe. It's like something you might see at a car show or something. So I do like that, but I'm going to be passing on it. And I don't know. If I wasn't getting the set, I might smash it. Maybe. I'd be on the fence about it. So, 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. Really love this casting. Not super crazy about it in the yellow. I think I'd like this better maybe with black wheels. You know, I feel like I probably say it a lot, but I think on the yellow, I think black wheels just would look better than the gray. I would smash this one though. If I wasn't getting rid of it to get the set, I would smash it. So that's what we're going to call it. So Liberty Walk R34 Super Silhouette Nissan Skyline. Obviously super popular casting. This one might be my least favorite or second least favorite of this casting that they've done. I don't know what it is about it. It looks good in white. I do like the white and black paint job. I think it's missing a little something on the side. Would love to have seen something else go on there. I do like the wheel choice here, though. So I would definitely smash this one. I would keep it if I wasn't getting the set. But either way, we're going to be selling that. Audi S4 Quattro. Really like this one. I think I would smash this one as well. I think this is probably one of the most well-done Audi castings that we have. Paint looks nice. I've complained before about the main lines of the paint on these where they tried to do this paint scheme. This livery just really didn't cut it. You know, I had a lot of problems. Seemed like the paint was like scraping or peeling off or whatever. Porsche 911 Turbo 930. Really love this casting. Actually, I already have one of these open. So, obviously, I would smash this. But we're going to get rid of this one. I have a couple of those to get rid of because I don't need them anymore. 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger. I like this one, and I sung its praises when I got it. But I do think at this point I might pass on it, just because it really doesn't have a place in my collection. You know, I don't see myself really opening it and displaying it. I don't see myself hanging this on a wall, so I think I would say pass on this one anyway. Mercedes-Benz 190E 2.5. I have already opened one of these, and you know, really cool. I think knowing what I know now, I probably wouldn't open another one. Like if I didn't have my personal one already open, I would probably pass on this. I like the casting itself. I don't know how crazy I am about this version of it. It is a cool custom, and I know a lot of people like this version of it, but I think I would probably just go back with one of the black versions, kind of more true to the actual race car. Nissan Silvia S15 Nismo R-Tune Proto. Like the casting, not crazy about what they did with it here. I'm going to call this an easy pass for me. Just, I don't know, there's something about it that just, I don't care for. Love the S15, don't really care for the livery here. Cool idea. I don't know, execution just didn't cut it for me maybe. 95 Toyota Celica GT4, literally just found these the other day. So I would definitely smash on this. Really love this livery here. I think the casting looks good. Not crazy about the wheels, but it is what it is. I don't think these wheels really look like these wheels. I guess maybe they do. I don't know. You get what I'm saying. So this set, I've had the opportunity to get all these cars except for the Accord, which I don't know if I would have even picked up the Accord. I've not really liked it when I've seen it, and don't really care for this livery. Porsche 935, again, I like that car, but don't really care for that livery on it. So the only other car, the last one we have, is this 23 Nissan Z. I would definitely smash it. I think it's underrated. If you do run into these, apparently this one's ringing up for like $3 at Walmart unless they fixed it, so that's cool. I didn't know that at the time, so that's not what I paid for it, but I would definitely pay full price for this again. I like it. Love the livery on it. I think it's a very well done car, and would definitely smash it. So there you go. That's all the Boulevards I have. When I get the box set here in a few days, we'll be going over that as well. I know a lot of you have probably already seen it, but Kind of hate to get a big set like that and not go over it. And I've been contemplating getting this one from 22 as well because it's on sale at Walmart. So if those are something that you're interested in, be sure to go to walmart.com, check those out. They are both available now. If you can't find them for whatever reason, if you come on this video later on, you can probably get them on eBay, maybe for a reasonable price, probably better than what I've paid for them. So there you go. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to stay tuned. We're going to be doing some other Smash or Pass. And in the meantime, check out these videos up here. I think you'll really enjoy those. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting, y'all.